To create scrolling animated carousel in Canva that you can use to display a lot of pictures and products and all that, you want to come into your Canva and come over to templates here, which is where I am currently at, and you want to search for scrolling animated carousel. This is the one I want to use because it's just pictures. I love this template a lot. I can open these three dots for you to see what this template's name is. You see the template is scrolling. I can use it to display multiple pictures and all. To use this template, you just need a pro account. If you have a pro subscription on Canva, you can use it. I'm going to tap on the template and I want to start this template so I can always find it whenever I want to use it. And I'm going to click on customize this template. And once the template opens, I'm going to go over to my upload where I have my pictures, and I'll come to folders. And I'm going to start putting images into this template. We're going to start with this one. I'm going to pull it like so. It replaces the first image. Click back into this image that is here, and I'm going to hold down shift on my keyboard, use the arrow left key on my keyboard, and begin to bring out the other part of the template. And I'm going to also put in my next picture. They want this to be our next picture. I'm going to pull it in and place it like so. I would click out, click back into the image and hold down shift, use the left arrow key to bring out also the other parts of the picture. I'm going to do it this way because there's a line here. I'm going to put in two photos at once so I don't have to drag every time. I'm going to continue to add in picture. I'll add this one here, and I'll also add this one to this part of the template, and I will click out of it and click back in, hold shift and use the left arrow key to still pull it out so the other parts of the templates can come out. You can see now I have two images here because of this line here. I'm seeing it, and I will scroll down to find more images. Let me place this here, and let's place this in here, and we'll tap out of the template and tap back in, hold shift, use the left arrow key to bring out the next image. So there are 7 images that you can add to this template as it is. I'll drag my image in, and once I have that covered, I will go to position and align these images I'm dropping in to the left. That brings the first image back to the beginning. And if I want to still do more images, I'm going to click on the body here, and I'm going to do Ctrl D on my keyboard to duplicate it. You see that, and I will drag this one and pull it out and place it here. So I now have a longer one. I will go to this one again. Let's go to this and let's position it to the top and to the left. So when you duplicate, it's going to move sort of somehow. So I'm going to click on this and start to replace the images again like I did. I have done 3 now, so here I'm going to also click. You can use the Ctrl D or you can also use duplicates. I'm going to move the bottom one to go to the side and take this here and do this, and let me move it to lap with the one I have here. You see that line? So now click on this and go to the left line and to the top, and I'll come back to this one and still continue to add in images. And once your video is ready, you've done how many clips? I did 4, which is 28 images, and you just preview using this preview button here. You can also add music. You can come to your elements here and also go over to the elements library and come over to audio to search for music. With the new Canva AI 2.0, you can even generate your own music. Describe what you want and it starts to happen. Let's say happy. You click on generate and it starts to think through your video and generates you a sound. So you see the audio that was generated for us.
Woke up this morning, sun in the sky.
Oh god. I'm going to tap on the audio and it adds it into my video like so. And if I scroll, it doesn't cover every part of my video. I can decide to duplicate or just come here to this part and add in the audio again. And if you pull our timeline up, you can begin to see the audio how it is on the video. And let's preview again.
Woke up this morning, sun in the sky.
So if you're happy with this, you can now click on share here, click on download and download your video.